Greeting, this is Mark Bro. We're going to be looking at how we can actually sign up a PDF document. Yes, sign up a PDF document. What if somebody sends us a document to sign up? Right? I don't want to download it, to print it, and just sign it up and have to do that. What you have to do is just simply download it on the computer, right? So this is the document that we're going to actually sign up, right? So I'm going to sign it up, right? If you notice right away, is Acrobat Reader. Adobe Acrobat Reader. This is what we're going to use to sign up this document. So I'm going to right click on it here. I'm going to click open. So while I click open, I'm going to show you some of the different areas in it, right? If you notice here, so home, tools, file, edit, view, sign, windows, and help, right? Instead of different here, you can actually sign in, but here I want to focus on right here is tool. When you click on tool, this is what it says, the comment. Sure, you can sign and fill, you can edit the PDF, you can export PDF, you can create a PDF, you can combine file, you can actually share. You notice certificates, measure, stamp. But what we want to focus on right here is fill and stamp. We're going to click on look up and click on open. So I click on open, you notice it's a help and it's a select a file. I'm going to click on the select a file. Right. So while I click on the select a file, you're going to take me to the desktop. Right, which I'm going to select the file that I wanted to fill. So this is the one. I want to click on it. Make sure you click on it, it's highlight. As soon as it highlight, you come right here, so open. You click on open. Right, and there you go. This is the form. You notice right here, so others require signature. Alright, it's a fill and sign, so I'm going to click on this one. Notice it take me, look on the cursor, notice it say AB. Right, I'm going to click right here. Notice, when I click right here, this is safe that I can increase the letter, decrease letter, increase letter, and notice you can delete. And if you click right here on this pointer, you can put the X, a tick, and all of that. So what I want to do, I want to type the name here. Notice carefully how it works. Right, now it works like right. So I want to see right here. So I just click right here. Notice the unique so far. So I'm going to come right here. Right, and then I'm going to put the address here carefully. Yes, and I'm going to write that. This is how easy you can actually do it. Look at that. So simple. Right, so we're going to put in a local price and example here. Right, and if you notice, look at it. And this is so neat. You can actually email this back to the particular person. But what if this one too big? I want to decrease it. What you can do, click back on it, and then click here. You notice it decrease. Notice it decrease. You click right here, so and also increase it back. Alright, so what if you want to carry it up more? You can click right here, hold on the side of the mouse. You can actually draw it like that. So important. So what about if you name? Just click on it. Put this right here. Notice the mouse here. So make sure to come up as look a style like that, and just draw it out like that, and you position it better like that. Right, and there you go. When you click outside, you notice exactly how it position on the line. Click on the price again. You can put the cursor right here, and let's draw it back in just like that. So this is very important. This way you can actually use the Acrobat Reader. So if you have learned something from this particular video, please to share it to the friend and also subscribe. So your friend might have the same problem that you have, and by you sharing it, it's actually help to solve the problem also. So very important. Let us share and also put a comment in the box to say exactly